This is Jesseline, and this video is talking about the sums of rational and irrational numbers. And so if you don't know what rational or irrational numbers are, then please go watch that video. So the first thing is, we've already kind of discussed this in a video previously. Rational and irrational, this is just a review, will always give you a rational. So adding a rational, subtracting rational numbers, they will always give you an answer that is rational. Okay, so that's that one. We've already gone over that one. This one, the sum of irrational and irrational equal rational and irrational. And a lot of people are like, well, an irrational plus an irrational will always give you an irrational. But there is one example that actually gives you a rational number. If we have like the square root of 5 plus the opposite of a square root of 5, remember, when we're adding opposites, it's going to give us 0. And 0 is a rational number. So it's not always when you add an irrational and an irrational that it will give you an irrational. Most cases, yes. But it's only sometimes. So an irrational plus an irrational can give you rational or irrational answers. And this is an example of where it gives you two irrationals. Will give you a rational when adding. But again, most of the time, irrational plus irrational will equal irrational. And then sum of rational and irrational will be irrational. Anytime you add that irrational to you, so if you have a rational number plus an irrational number, it's always going to give you an irrational number. Okay, so sum of rational and rational will always give you an irrational number. It's just that little one up there with an irrational and irrational that will sometimes give you rational and irrational with that example. Thank you for watching.